Hi everyone! Nandito na tayo sa may Canada. So another day, another art. Iba pa, i-share ko na sa inyo ngayon yung experience ko sa aking second time na pag-travel dito sa Canada. Mas mabusisi at mas maraming tanong, mas nakakakaba at talagang yes, kinabahan talaga ako ng gusto sa aking second interview. So, hindi ko na patatagalin at mag-start na ako sa aking pag-share ng experience ko sa aking interview dito sa aking second time travel here in Canada. At i-share ko na yung interview sa akin sa aking second time travel here in Canada. So, ang first question sa akin, pagdating ko mismo sa immigration, what will you do or what you doing here in Canada? And I said, I'd like to experience the white Christmas here in Canada, a good holiday here in Canada, and I miss Canada. I like to relax and I like the serenity here in Canada. Okay, then the next question na tinanong sa akin is, where you stay. So sinabi ko, this is the last time I stay to my friend, and also this time I stay to my friend. So this time Canadian po siya, 70 years old. That is Andre. So sa kanya ako nag-stay. And then yes, I will stay to my friend here in Canada. Tapos ang next question, how you know each other? Okay, how did you meet him? So and I said to him, he is my friend. He is their neighbor. And I said, I meet him while I'm walking to the street, and from there we're starting to know each other, and until finally he encouraged me and he invited me to come over here in Canada. So how do you know him? The next question is, how do you know him? Okay, so I know him because we've been together as a friend for 2.5 months while I'm staying here in Mississauga. So every day we took a coffee, and then we sharing life each other. So yung life ko, share ko sa kanya kung ano yung life ko para mas maging more comfortable kami sa isa't isa, and then yung life din niya i-share niya rin sa akin. And then in that case kasi meron siyang namamaga yung paa niya, so I need to do my part na i-assist siya, i-help siya. So everyday minamassage ko yung paa niya. So ang tanong sa akin ng another question again, he is not your boyfriend? No. He is not my boyfriend. My friend, are you sure he is not your boyfriend? No. He is not my boyfriend, just only friend. Kasi pag nagkamali ka, isinagot mo na boyfriend mo, probably pwede kang ma-hold ng immigration at hindi ka papasukin sa Canada. So mangyayari, magiging A to A ka na lang. So the next question, how long you will stay here in Canada? And I said, approximately 3 months. So I stay for 3 months. And then, do you have a return ticket? Yes, I have a return ticket. Tapos binigay ko sa kanila yung return ticket ko. Your return ticket is not exit here in Toronto Pearson Airport. No, I'm exit in Calgary. So okay. Then the next question is, you've been here before? So you've been here before? Yes. I said to the officer, yes, I've been here before, 2.5 months in Mississauga in Ontario, and I've been also in Alberta 2.5 months. So that's it. So what did you do? Just enjoying my travel here in Canada and nothing else. Okay. And then the next question is, did you apply a visa in America? And I said, no. Are you sure? No. Nagtanong ulit siya, and then the follow-up question, any refusal applying a visa in America? I said no. I never had any refusal every time I travel. So I have a visa in Japan. I have a multiple visa in Japan. You can see it and you can check it on my passport. Okay, chinek niya yung passport ko. And then, nag-follow up siya ng question na any deny visa. No, I don't have any deny. Are you sure you don't have any deny visa during application? No, I never had, and I never denied. Are you sure you binalik niya na naman yung topic niya na are you sure you're not denied in America? No, I never been denied because I never been apply my visa in USA. Okay. So sabi niya nga, and then the next question, that is Indian, so I didn't understand what he's talking about because of the accent. So I'm sorry. Then tinanong niya ulit, ni-repeat niya yung question niya. Excuse me. I'm sorry. And then the third na ni-repeat niya rin yung salita niya. I said, I'm sorry, I really don't understand. Okay. Ayoko namang sumagot na naintindihan ko siya, yes or no, baka maging crucial hindi ko naiintindihan. So instead of that, yung entrance na document mo na papeles, yung arrival ticket mo, so sinulatan niya yun ng from here, like ito yung information mo, so ginanon niya, sinulatan niya yan ng ganyan, yan, tapos pasulat na ganyan hanggang sa baba. So I don't know what does it mean. So yung pala, ibig sabihin parang follow-up interview ka ulit sa next officer. So pumunta na ako sa next officer. Chinek ako ulit ng isang kung saan na ako pupunta, kung okay na ba ako sa immigration or hindi. Dahil hindi pa nga ako okay, sabi ng isang doon, stop doon. Okay, or you're good. Kala ko okay na ako. Punta na ako dito sa isang yung pala mga okay is de diretso, tas ako kumanan kasi hindi ako okay. So I need more further interview. So ito na, nasa second officer na ako, ini-interview na ako. Sabi sa akin, how long you stay in Canada? Probably around 3 months. Okay, do you have a return ticket? Yes, I have a return ticket. Can I see your return ticket? Pinakita ko sa nag-officer. Okay. Where do you stay? I'm staying in Andre Bichu. Actually, I have an invitation letter actually I have an invitation letter, and then I present the invitation letter. Buti na lang humingi ako ng invitation letter niya na katunayang tutuloy ako sa kanya. How do you know him? I know him for 2.5 months because I know him last year when I visit here in Canada. And then, okay, how do you know him? I'm just walking around the street and we're starting our conversation to each other, and from there, we've been friends, and I always visit him regular every day, and we had a coffee, and also she have a little bit problem on his feet, so a little bit like a dilemma, or what is, I don't know really the exact name, but it's something like expanded to his skin. Sabi ng ibigay, that is excess liquid on his feet. Yeah, exactly like that. So what did you do? I'm doing a massage to him every time I visit while we are coffee, and then before I leave him, before I go back to my home, so I massage him. So from there, he always comfortable with me and relief, and he had an improvement for his feet. So from there, he's more comfortable, and when I go back home to the Philippines, we keep on talking each other and have a communicate every day. So that's why he decided to inviting me to come over here again here in Canada, and this time he will be the one who sponsor me to stay to his house. Okay, so that's it. And then nakita niya sa monitor na you have a salon here in the Philippines. Yes, I have a salon in the Philippines, and I've been a hairstylist for about more than 20 years. So half of my life I've been a hairstylist. Okay, that's good. So that's medyo nakampante na ako sa second officer kasi parang medyo natutuwa siya kasi tinulungan ko I help Andre to his feet, and then we have a good bonding every time I visit him. So he's Canadian, the second officer, and she really so happy with the result because I helping the Canadian citizen here. So from there naging komportable ako. Okay, at saka nagsuggest na siya sa akin, oh, since you are a entrepreneur, you can put a business here or you can expand your business here in Canada, which is good at talagang mas nakaka-komportable kasi naisip niya na magiging asset ka din dito sa sa Canada. So may maitutulong ka, may mai-share ka, ganon. So parang sinabi niya sa akin, inoffer niya sa akin yung punta ka sa ganitong website. So C10. So from C10 magtingin ka doon kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin, kung ano yung pwede mong gawin pag nasa Canada ka na. So ayun, from there pinapasok na ako sa Canada at syempre natuwa na ako na wala na yung kaba ko at inalaw na ako makapasok sa Canada. Siguro ang time the interview is for approximately like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So maraming tanong, maraming kwentuhan. And then, hindi pa doon nagtatapos. Siyempre, palabas na ako, kinuha ko na yung mga bagahe ko. Yung bagahe ko, actually, ako na lang ang hindi kumukuha ng bagahe kasi sa sobrang tagal ng interview, yung luggage ko, naiwan na lang siya sa gitna at kinuha ko. Yung pagkakuha ko, kala ko okay na. Yung pala, syempre sasala tayo sa costume. So eto na. Wala nang katao-tao, so only me na lang. Okay, you can come over here. Sabi sa akin ng officer sa may how long you stay here? Ganun na naman yung tanong. I stay here for about 3 months. You've been here before? Yes, I've been here before. Okay, that's good. So can I check your personal bag? Can I check your personal bag? Yeah, sure, you can check my personal bag. Siyempre, chinek niya yung personal bag ko. So nakita niya doon yung aking LB wallet. So makita niya may mga pera. So may yen, may peso, saka may onting US dollar din siya. Tapos chinek niya yung mga papel. So medyo maurirat. And then after that, chinek na yung isa kong luggage. Sabi niya, can you open this? Yeah, sure. I can open this, but wait for a moment because it's double lock. So tinanggal ko yak, binuksan ko. Bumungad doon. Ito na, bumungad doon. Nashock ako kasi bumungad yung mga Japan products. Sabi niya, why you did not declare this? It's a KitKat chocolate. No, I forgot because it's just a little bit not too much. It's like a 5 pieces lang naman yun na pack. But it's still a food. Next time you declare it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you don't have to be sorry. Okay. Okay, next time I will declare whatever it is, like it's chocolate. Yeah. Oh, you have a lots of collagen product here. You going to sell it? No, I'm not going to sell it. I give it to my friend here, as a present. Okay. Where you gonna give this product again? To my fellow Filipino. So nagkamali ako doon kasi sinabi ko fellow Filipino. So dapat hindi mo sabing Filipino kasi pag sinabi mong fellow Filipino, ibig sabihin tumira ka na dito sa Canada or matagal ka nang nanirahan sa Canada or matagal ka na nag-stay. So mali. So dapat ang sasabihin nyo po is I give it to my Filipino friends. So that's it. And then chinek niya pa, since nakakalat yung mga pantit bra ko doon sa bagahe, hindi niya na masyadong kinalkal. Okay, you're good. And then sabi ko, you want to check another my second luggage? No, it's okay. I offer sa kanya yung, kasi marami akong collagen doon di ba? At saka yung KitKat ng Japan. Sabi ko, do you want some? No, we're not allowed to receive anything from other people who want to vacation here in Canada. Okay. So you are all good, and then you arrange your things, and you're welcome to Canada. Enjoy your vacation. So that's it. So from there, tuntuwa na ako kasi this is my second time around na makaka-travel ako dito sa Canada. But this time, it's very crucial kasi ang interview ko is 45 minutes. At not one officer but two officer plus kinalkal po ang aking bagahe. So medyo mabusisi ang pag-entrance ko sa Canada. And now, I'm here in Canada, Mississauga. Yes. So that is, ito yung kanilang people park. So one of the people park here in Canada. So see you next time again, guys. Another day, another art. Iba pa. Bye-bye.